Are you excited to see Mommy? Yeah. How are you, Wings? Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Are you happy that I'm home?
Miriam, move
Yeah.
out of the way. I'm going to come into your bed. Oh, Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Want me to pick you up? Good
Hi.
morning for day 2 of Vlogust. And I just got the kids. Oh, there's
Hi.
Jude. Hi. And who's that?
Okay.
Miriam, yeah. And they saw me for the first time in a couple days, and everybody's very excited. Were you excited to see me this morning? Yeah, were you happy to crawl into bed with me?
Yeah, and,
Yeah.
and you. Whoa, away.
I was away, but now I'm back. Are you doing the same thing as Jude? Anyhow, I'm giving them their presents that I got for them because Super Dad, while I was away, did a little good listening chart with Jude. And if he got a lot of good listening stickers, then he was going to get a little treat that I got back. And chocolate. And so I got them some chocolate from the chocolate factory. So we're having chocolate for breakfast at 7:37 a.m. which is fun. And so anyway, that doesn't happen all the time, obviously. But when Mommy goes to a chocolate factory, it does. So let's dig in. Hey, which one are you going to choose?
I'm going to choose. Is this a chocolate bar?
Yeah, it's like a peppermint one.
Oh, I don't like peppermint.
No? Okay.
A pink one, no. Red one, no. How about this?
There's so many You also want a Kit Kat? So many choices. Open it.
Ooh.
Can you say please?
Please.
Okay. Oh yeah. You did it all right. Come on. You can do it.
No, you can't.
You can't? You're 2 years old?
No,
How old are you?
I'm 4.
Okay, well 4-year-olds know how to put on their shoes.
Oh, how do you know?
Because it's just a developmental milestone that you've already
Mommy,
met.
Can you, after when we get back home, can you tell me, how to be, a 4-year-old?
Sure, I think you already know how, because you are 4.
But, Mommy, I don't know a lot of stuff.
4-year-olds always listen to their parents.
Okay,
They never say no.
okay,
They do things right away.
okay,
They give their mums lots of hugs.
okay.
They eat all their dinner.
Okay.
And they put their dishes in the dishwasher after they eat. That's what 4-year-olds do.
Okay.
Okay. I forgot to mention earlier that today is a holiday in Canada. So Dave has taken the day off from work, and so it's just like the weekend. So we are out of the house now. We're in the car. Whoa. In the car, and we are going to try and find something to eat. So I think we're going to end up at a burger place. And Miriam's saying basketball. She wants to play basketball. So we're gonna find some food and then we're gonna go adventuring, probably outside somewhere. Topping. Cheese boinga? Leah's cheese a boinga?
Boiga.
Oh, boiga. Or the face plant? Or Julian's cash burger?
What?
Plain Jack Jr. And Michaela's mega macaroni burger. Yes. Is that delicious? Yeah. Anything in there?
No.
Oh, what's this, Jude?
Yeah.
See how the woodpecker did it?
Oh yeah.
See all the little bug holes? That's why the woodpecker is pecking at it.
This is what I love about our city, is that we're in the middle of the city, yet there is beautiful nature right here. So I really do love that. It is deep, Lovey. The water's too deep. tree used to be where Dave used to hang out as a kid. Kid or teenager? Maybe teenager. Anyway, still here. It looks different, he says, though.
Ready? Open your hands. Open your hands. Okay, don't squish it.
Is it in there?
That tickled me. I need it.
You need shoes?
Yes.
No, I think you're okay.
I know shoes. Yeah, you're okay.
Gonna be one with the earth. Let's shuck some corn.
Second.
Pull it off. You can do it.
Oh, she did it. Uh-oh, Mommy.
You gotta shuck the husk.
Gotta shuck the husk. That's what you do. That's what you do. That's what you do. Do.
What do you do?
That's what you do. That's what you do. You shuck.
So this is the day that I want to definitely record and mark this down in history, and because I was away, as you know, for the weekend, and I came back and I wasn't sure how it would be with breastfeeding, because we still breastfeed just in the mornings actually. And this morning I saw her and she gave me a big hug and she put her hands on my chest and said, "All done." And then she hasn't asked to NURCE all day. And so I think we might be done. I don't know, I mean that could change, but so anyway, that could be that. I'm happy that it went so well, like the weaning process. There was basically no weaning process. It was just, she was done. There you go. So let's see here. She is 20, April, May, June, July, August, 24, 28, just shy of 28 months. And I think we're done. So, oh, is that delicious?
Yeah.
And she just ate a thing of raw corn. So I'm not sure how healthy that is, but anyhow. So yeah, 28 months and we're all done.
No.
I think. I mean, who knows? Tomorrow she could wake up and say, "Mommy, nurse," you know. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys and share it basically for myself, just sort of mark this day in history. So,
No.
Miriam, do you like seafood?
No.
I'm not stealing it for myself. I'm
Hey Jude, what show are you watching?
Wishbone.
Robin Hood, champion of the underdog. The legends of Robin Hood started in England.
Candles if you need to. Cowabunga, dude. Okay, now pick your bike back up. Was that funny, Miriam?
No, it isn't.
No, it's not funny. Whoa, okay. Hold on.
Mommy, Mommy.
You gonna use your pedals too there, Memes? That is. You're going kind of